What's up, guys? We're waking up bright and early in the morning today because we want to get a French baguette at this bakery down the street where we were at yesterday, where we got blueberries and also some breakfast. And we're all very tired. We didn't sleep at all. Tyler was woken up rudely by some lady speaking at 2 in the morning, and Kunal also. Lady. Yeah, some American lady was being very loud and boisterous last night, and the boys couldn't sleep, which is very unfortunate. And that makes me very sad because I slept through it all. Rainy streets of Monaco. Look at that. Very beautiful. And even in the rain, it does not stop people on bikes from getting on with their day, which is very cool because I'm very much scared of riding my motorcycle in the rain. Also, if you haven't noticed, I have the old microphone back, the Rode one, so you can see the big microphone on the end. So yeah, my stuff is not waterproof, well at least my camera isn't, so I'm probably going to be vlogging a little bit less until we get to some cover. Tyler just got laughed at.
I just got laughed at.
He gave the person selling blueberries €1.
She said one. She's like, no. You stupid.
Oh man. Mitron Bakery. Need some coffee. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
I'm so tired. It's okay. We're at the train station now. This looks really cool. Yeah, we are on the way to Florence now, and just waiting for a train. We could have hopped on an earlier one, but it's fine. We have one booked. It's coming in about 20 minutes. I'm excited. It's gonna be a long train ride, but luckily we have stuff to keep us entertained, so we're just gonna sit down and relax and take in the good, beautiful scenery. So, you know, we'll see how it goes. So we are on the train now, leaving France on the way to Italy. Well, where are we going? What train station? Ventimiglia. So we're going to Ventimiglia to take another train that's going to directly take us to Florence. Florence? No. It's going to take us to Genoa. And from Genoa to Pisa. And from Pisa to Florence. So 3 trains in total. We have a long journey to go, but we have officially left France, I think. Yes. And the train keeps on making a really cool noise whenever we enter tunnels. Officially in Italy now. We're taking a transfer train now, so that's pretty cool. It's still kind of cloudy and whatnot. We are excited and one step closer to our final destination. Well, not really final destination, but base of operations at that point. So, you know, we are on the way. That's where we're going. Going to Genova. So, we have about... What's up? Sure, I'll take that as a souvenir. Cool. Got a train ticket as a souvenir. Absolutely. We got about an hour and a half to kill here in Ventimiglia right now. Ventimiglia. And we are waiting for the train to come by, so we're walking over to this place called Just Protein, and we're just gonna check it out and stuff and kill some time, you know. But it's kind of interesting because this place, architecture wise and just the way it looks, reminds me a lot of Mexico, and I haven't been to Mexico in a really long time, so it's taking me back, especially the Dragon Ball Z. Because Mexicans love Dragon Ball Z. Yeah. I'm Mexican and I love Dragon Ball Z. Tyler got a bunch of protein stuff at the protein store. It's pretty cool stuff.
Grazie.
Grazie.
English breakfast.
Sparkling water is the best. We're on the train to Genoa now, officially. I don't know how long it's going to be, but we'll be here for a little bit. 2 hours, yep. It's a 2-hour train ride. We'll get nice and comfortable, and Tyler's over here. We're all very tired. We're just looking forward to getting to Florence so we can chill and do laundry and eat pizza and gelato and affogatos and everything of that matter. Alright, so we got off the other train and we are boarding the second train that's going to take us, well, this train is going directly to Rome, but we're going to hop off in Pisa and then take another train from Pisa to Florence. So we're just kind of just waiting on that for now. We're also waiting for Tyler. He's somewhere down there looking for a restroom. Yeah, hopefully this ride is a little bit better than the last one. Pisa. We are oh, look at this. Look at this.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, man.
We're on the train to Pisa. From there, we're gonna take another train to Florence. And then when we get to Florence, we're gonna have a good time.
Stop focusing on your face.
We're gonna have some affogatos and whatnot. Some real gelato, good gelato. But, you know, just waiting to get down to Florence at this point. That's going to be our main base of operations, and then we're just going to do day trips around the area from there. And then finally we'll end the trip down in Rome. So we'll see how that goes.
Would be taking over the vlog.
Now Tyler's taking over.
Yeah. Alright, what's up, gamers? So
What is up, gamers?
today we're gonna talk about politics now.
Oh!
Now,
Sorry. Tired as fuck too. We are almost to Pisa. Tyler's drawing a penguin over there. He's very entertained. Look at him smiling.
this is good.
Yep. I don't know, how long have we been on this train ride already?
Too long.
Yeah. Too long. We've been on this train ride for too long.
Right, so Canal gave us a prompt. This shows up board and we need to draw it. So the prompt he gave was a penguin in a top hat holding a knife in its right fin on a deserted island with one palm tree, 3 coconuts, 2 connected to the tree, 1 mid-fall, about to hit the penguin on the head. In the background, there's a bigger island that's war-torn with many bodies on it. So I am now about to reveal to everyone my beautiful artwork. This might be too graphic for YouTube. We'll find out. But alright guys, here we go. This is, we got the penguin with the knife, that top hat, coconut is about to fall, we got 2 others right there, and then in the distance, we got, oh no, the war-torn island. That was pretty good.
That is pretty good.
And you can see there's 1 man left who survived, and he's crying. He threw down his gun. He's like, I'm sick of this.
I thought that was
tired.
a skateboard.
No.
Pisa. We're not going to stay around to see the tower just yet. We're going directly to our hotel in Florence. Chill, eat, well, not call it an early night maybe, so we can get up tomorrow and come back. So we'll see what happens. We made it to Florence. Alright. We are off to our hotel now. So gonna go drop our stuff off, decompress a little bit, and then go get some dinner and talk about our plans for the night. Right, Tyler?
Yeah. All right. So we're double wielding right now. So we're gonna go to the hotel. We are finally in Florence. It's getting dark. We're hungry and tired. We're so tired, but I do want to eat. We need to cross. But yeah, so we're gonna go. It's gonna be good. And well, let's not get hit by cars. Ah, shit. Okay, we gotta wait. Yeah, it's actually not too far, so let's get over there.
Wow, this is way more hectic than what we have experienced since we got to Europe. I want to take a moment to appreciate the architecture of this building. It's really nice. Hey, he said something. I don't know what he said, but I'm sure it was very important.
Is that the pisser?
I think that is the pisser.
I've seen that actually before in Italy. Now I think about it, I really don't know what it is.
That's something.
Yeah, I don't know. Dude, it's got a bath.
I know, right? That's cool. Look at that.
Something?
The pisser? We have a dog too. That's pretty cool.
The dog.
There's a little dog down there. Yeah, this is the room in Florence.
There we go.
Nice little view.
Separate the. Oh, what's up?
Oh, that's cool. What do we got?
We got a big screen TV.
Big screen.
I mean, it's. I don't know. How do you guys feel about it? It's very different. It's different.
Very different. Got a nice view of the river. Look at that. Wow.
Wow.
This is huge.
This is
finally €9.
It's like about $9.
Look at that. How do you feel?
I thought I was getting a slice.
Nah, bro. You're gonna munch tonight.
You've been spending so much in Monaco that.
First impressions. So good. But I need to eat some of the meat inside it. Just like the cheese, man. God damn it. Oh, here's some sausage. Cut that up real quick. It's very hot. Oh yeah. Finished up dinner. First time trying pizza in Italy, and it was delicious. What'd you think?
We just finished up dinner. It was delicious.
There you go. Kunal, what do you think of the pizza, man?
It was delicious.
Oh man, it was great.
A really good calzone.
Yeah, really good calzone.
I'm just gonna,
Beer was
just
great.
Gonna record next to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, now there we go.
Yeah.
Now he's doing it. All right.
We had a really good calzone. Beer was great. We're just gonna call it an early night so we can get some rest, deal with some stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll have a good day tomorrow.
Oh, is that an E36? Look at this.
Oh wow, look at that.
It's an M3 though. It is an M3.
M3, nice. Look at that. Car spotting in Italy, maybe? This is day what? 4, I think? 4?
But yeah, finishing up day 4. It's been a long travel day, which kind of sucks when the whole day is taken up by travel. But we changed our plans and all that, and I think the way we're doing it now is going to work out a lot better, so that way we can do more things. I mean, we're going to be at this hotel for a while. It gives us the option to have this as like our home base, kind of branch out or do day trips, stuff like that. So it works out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Make sure you're also following me at Tyler Bendis on Instagram and YouTube. All of those fun things.
All of my viewers.
So all the one viewers.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah. See you later, gamers.